The ingredient for this pineapple dessert is very basic. I had showed you how to whip the cream. I've taken 1 cup whipped cream. I have whipped it up with 1/4 cup of sugar. I have taken jelly. I have taken 1 packet of pineapple jelly. I have taken 24 biscuits. I have crushed them up and I'm going to add in the butter in the biscuit. I have also taken 1/4 cup of cream cheese and I've taken half cup of pineapple puree. Don't worry, all the measurements I will be writing in the description, guys. So you can see that I'm making a amazing pineapple dessert. For that I have taken 1 cup of whipped cream and I'm going to whip it. I have whipped this cream and I have also added some sugar in it. I have added like 1/3 cup of sugar and you can see that I have got it's like stiff peaks, right? So you want this consistency of the whipped cream. Now you have to chill it. For the base of the biscuit, I have added the 1/4 cup of butter. I'm going to mix it. Biscuit looks after it is mixed. So I have added the cream cheese and the pineapple puree in it. I'm going to mix it. So now what I have done, I have layered some biscuits, the biscuits on this, and I have flattened it with this cup. I flattened it, and now I'm going to add the whipped cream mixture into this. I have also added some yellow color. I just put few drops of yellow color in the whipped cream. I added on the biscuit I have put the whipped cream and I have put some jelly on it, and I have also put few pineapples, if you can see. Now I'm going to put the biscuit layer again and I'm again going to top it with the whipped cream. Guys, you can see that the final look of the dish. I have done 2 layers of this. First I put the biscuit layer, the whipped cream and the cream cheese layering, then the jellies and the pineapple, and then I did the second layering, and this is what the final dish looks like. And I'm going to be chilling it. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for 4 to 5 hours till this dessert is completely chilled, and then you can serve it to your guest on this special occasion of Eid. Eid Mubarak, guys. I hope you all have a very blessed and amazing Eid. Try this easy recipe. It's very easy, guys, with few ingredients. So try this, guys, and try this recipe and subscribe to my channel, and may you all have a wonderful Eid, guys.